Hello, this is Don and Nicole, and welcome back to Tax Wars. We're here at the lovely Mission downtown Riverside, actually in the garden area where they have their world famous brunch. We wanted to go over a few things with regards to divorce and taxes today. So, Nicole, what are we going to be talking about today with regards to divorce and taxes?
Primarily, we're going to be talking about injured spouse and innocent spouse and the different ways that you can resolve tax debt that's due to issues that were created when you were married, which would be the innocent spouse, and then also just different tax issues that arise when you get divorced.
Okay, very good. So many times we get calls from people who believe they're somewhat familiar with, or they've been told about the innocent spouse provision or injured spouse provision. Many times they've heard about it online. These are typically couples who are individuals who are about to go through a divorce, are currently going through a divorce, or post-divorce. The entire innocent spouse program was set up about 25 years ago, during the mid-90s, I would believe, to where couples are a spouse who was unaware of their spouse's income or how they were filing taxes. Typically, if they were filing jointly, that's the only way this would happen. They would have to discover that there was a situation where they had tax debt liability that came out of the relationship, and many times they believe that they're not responsible for it because they weren't the one who was handling the taxes. It's a little bit more complicated than that, and we're going to have Nicole go over each one today. So, Nicole, why don't you explain to everyone some of the finer details in terms of what a innocent spouse provision is, and how individuals can apply for that.
Well, innocent spouse, we'll start with innocent spouse versus injured spouse. Injured spouse would be more for couples who are mostly still married, and one couple is receiving a refund, but that's about to be taken due to issues like child support or tax debt that's owed by the other spouse. So the injured spouse would just allow that taxpayer to still receive their refund, and it wouldn't be affected by the debt that's owed by the other spouse. The innocent spouse relief would be more for people who, like Don was saying, they filed their tax return. Let's just say the husband filed the tax return. The wife didn't really get too much involved with the finances. The husband took a large withdrawal from retirement, didn't report it on the tax returns. Now they're either being audited, or he did report it, and now they have a large amount owed to the IRS based on that retirement withdrawal. So that would be a case where the wife could file for an innocent spouse, as she really isn't involved with the husband's retirement account. And if he took the withdrawal himself without letting her know, then that would just give her more ground when filing for innocent spouse.
Okay, and that's it. So tune in as we cover more things about divorce and taxes, and we'll go into more detail about scenarios and so forth. All right? It is Sunday, so we're going to have a wonderful brunch here today.